Welcome to the Winvo Realty channel. We're operating in Austin, Texas. Today I am touring you an inventory home called Palmer, and it's built by Scott Felder in University Heights, and this area is called the Green. This is a beautiful house and a very popular floor plan. This home has 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, 2-story, 2-car garage, and I will show you how beautiful it is, and I will talk to you a little bit about the community later on. But all the doors in the house is 8 foot. When you enter the house, you have high ceilings. This is like 20 feet ceilings with this beautiful chandelier. On the left side of me, you can see a full bedroom with a bath, full bath. As you can see, all the nice bay window and all the doors in the house is 8 foot high. This nice bathroom is actually being used by this guest bedroom. Walking up a little bit, you will see the staircase that's going upstairs, and we're going to check it out later on. It's the coat closet, open floor plan concept with the dining area. So you see it's beautiful windows, and you can see the bricks outside. Behind is also the family room is connected with high ceiling, and you can look up the stairs with the balcony looking down. So this is about 20 feet high ceiling. If you're looking for a 2-story with high ceiling, this is the best floor plan. You see all this bay window leading you to the back door and a huge covered patio with nice brick stands. You can check it out in a bit. But before we go to the master bedroom, here is a beautiful kitchen with stainless appliances, nice white cabinets, stove, and the beautiful upgraded hoods that go all the way directly to the top of the ceiling and all the way out. Okay, white quart countertops here, guys. This is a place store, the refrigerator, a door to the garage, and also a nice pantry for your kitchenish, and followed up by a laundry room. Let's check out the master bedroom. So here is a beautiful master bedroom with an area that's sticking out here for a sitting space and a nice window, and you can see the beautiful view, and I can see actually Seton Hospital is right there. This is a really nice location, close to the hospitals, close to universities, Texas State University, ACC, Austin Community College, along with, here is a master bath with the standing shower, with the garden tub, with double sinks, one over here and one over there, and then also a private toilet. Beautiful and big, spacious closet. All right, and then they also built in all the show up here, and also a cabinet right there for you to fold your clothes. So let's go upstairs and check out the upstairs real quick. Let's check out the upstairs. Look at that big windows that I can see from standing here at this balcony. And you have a unoperable window with nice natural light leading to the entire upstairs. And up here you can look down, you can see the front door, also the chandelier. Very modern. On this side, this can be a beautiful theater. All you need to do is just set up some furniture here, a television right here, sit down, chilling, enjoying TV with your family. All right, and let's check out. There are going to be 3 other bedrooms and 2 more full baths. All right, this is the first full bath upstairs, and it's going to be used by this beautiful front bedroom upstairs with nice window. Let's check out the other 2 bedrooms. Before we go to the 2 bedrooms, here is a loft area, guys. This could be like a flex room, a loft. You can hang a TV here. You can have a cardboard play or a pool table or a ping pong table right here for entertainments. And then looking down the family room, you can see the open space, high ceilings, and a lot of natural light from these windows. Second bathroom with double sinks being used by these 2 bedrooms, and this is the first bedroom with a walk-in closet. So if you have kids, you can let them stay up here, and then you have a guest room and the master bedroom downstairs. But this is the 3rd bedroom upstairs. So there are 2 bedrooms downstairs and 3 upstairs. With that said, we're gonna go out to check out the backyard and the patio. Follow me, check out the back patio. Scott Felder always have include this area in their part of the upgrades, but it comes standard for Scott Felder. It's a huge patio with cover, and this house also including a fence. So if anybody who would like to purchase this home, feel free to contact us at Winvo Realty, and I can help with negotiation to a price that fit your budget. All right, so look at the huge backyard and nice stone fence. And beautiful greens area here with the covered patio. You can actually do a pool here. In this area, we are located very convenient to access to I-35 and I-30. I-130 takes you down to the airport in Tesla, I-35 to San Antonio and Dallas, and also 35 minutes from Austin, Texas downtown. Like I mentioned, all the school, high school and also college, and then shopping Round Rock Mall, and also Kalahari, Dell Diamond, and also Cellular Park are all located about 10 minutes away from here. So contact me if you need more information about this home. Thank you.